You are right.
Concourse D, gate D1 to D36. You have a train terminal here. You have a connection with the whole terminal with the train. And you're going to the upper level to gate D1 to D36. You are right to Concourse D, D1 to D36. You have a food court here in this area. You have different options for restaurant, yogurt, smoothie, pizza, bar. You have a market too. You have a different option for food. Bagels, burgers. You continue to the other side, you have a more shop and restaurant too. The market, food and wine. Phillips seafood. And you have at the second floor more restaurant, buffalo wings and wheel, and beers. Phillips seafood here. A bar, food, and convenience store there. At this point, you have on your left gate D1 to D18, and on your right D21 to D36. D, gate D1A. Right here. The Atlanta International Airport. You have a Concourse D, D1 to D46. It's a Delta Airline 2. You have a departure for different cities. D1 have a departure for Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. D3 boarding flying out to Milwaukee. Delta Airline 2. And we continue. Have a restaurant, auction for food, chicken and beer, restaurant, chicken and beer, magazine store, convenience store. We continue D5, D6, Delta Airline 2. D5, they have a flight to Charlotte, North Carolina. And D6, they boarding flight to Washington Dulles now. D7, D8. D7 have a flight to Savannah, Georgia. D8 now have a Boston, Massachusetts, 6 p.m. And you continue here, you have a yogurt display there, shop. Wolfgang Park Fresh Press, more food ocean in front to gate DA8 to Charleston, South Carolina, Delta Airline 2. And from the gate DA, you have an Asian food option too. More restroom. You have Popeyes, fried chicken, Louisiana. You have Atlanta Braves bar and grill. Atlanta Braves. It's a baseball team for Atlanta, Georgia. More shops, auction for shop. Food, hardware grounds. Continue with gate D9 and D10, Delta Airline crew. D9 to Little Rock, Arkansas, and Calgary. It's a WestJet. It's a Delta line, but WestJet fly to Calgary, Canada. Partner airline. D9A and D12, Delta Airline crew. San Diego, California, D12, and D9A, Minneapolis. We continue the hallway here to gate D18 to D46 on the other side. It's a brand new area here. D15, Delta Airline. They renew this area. Oklahoma City, D15. The parkway. Beautiful, nice. D16, Sacramento, California. D17, Delta Airline, Dallas Low, Texas. Final boarding call. D18, Portland, Oregon. And from the gate D18, we have customer service for Delta. Ticketing offer and customer service. You need help with something, you're missing your flight, your connection. You have a customer service in each terminal. Each terminal, they have a customer service. We are now in the middle with the terminal. And you have here connection with the other terminal and baggage claim, ground transportation. You take the train and walk to the next terminal from this point. Shops, Pura Vida, Ice Free, convenience store. D21, Delta Airline. Final boarding to Boston, Massachusetts. D21.
Yeah, there it is.
D23. D23 Delta Airline. Washington, Ronald Reagan International. 6 p.m. You have a gate D25 here. Delta Airline too. And you have a more option for food here. And Mustang Seat Restaurant, Bar and Restaurant, Barbecue Restaurant, Bar. D27. And from the D27 you have a spa and vending machine. D27, Delta Airline too. Then you have a flight now. We continue to D29 to D36. They working in this terminal. Outdated. Still working here. Yeah, they're still working here. D29.
It really is.
I have a flight to Raleigh, Durham, North Carolina. We'll continue to the end. They're working here. D32 to D36. Delta Line 2. Oh, it's a nice. They finish here. They're updating. D33, Norfolk, Virginia. D32, Los Angeles. It's a brand new area too. Beautiful. They updated everything here. D33, West Palm Beach. Florida. D34, 35, and 36. Delta Airline 2. Phoenix, Arizona, New York, LaGuardia, and Louisville, Kentucky. Beautiful site. Concourse D, gates D, D1 to D36. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, and continue watching the old terminal in Atlanta International Airport. New video every week. The Concourse D, gate D, you have the option to say. You have the train terminal here, Concourse D. You have the option for connect with all terminals. Or you have the option to walk between concourses, between terminals. You have a beautiful hallways connected with terminals. Now it's connected with the terminal Concourse E and F. So, beautiful hallway. It's a Blue Stray Atlanta Airport, 100 years celebration. Had a celebration for the 100 years with the airport. Nice pictures. Everything beautiful. Beautiful museums.